Hi friends, in previous videos we have discussed about real numbers exercise 1. First exercise. In that we have discussed about 1.3. We have completed third bit, right? So now we are going to see about fourth bit. Now you see, express the following decimals in the form of p by q, okay, and write the prime factors of q. What do you observe? Okay, so first question, you see what they are given, 43.123. So first let us assume let x is equal to 43.123. okay, this is the decimal. Which type of decimal? It is a terminating decimal. Why? Because after 0.123 only there, okay, it is not continuously going on, okay, it is get stopped after 3, so that's why it is a terminating decimal. So if it is a terminating decimal, can we write it in the form of p by q? Yes. How can we write? Simply you can write x is equal to 43123 divided by, after decimal how many digits are there, that many zeros you have to keep. 1. After decimal how many zeros are there? 1 2 3. 1 2 3, that's it. Okay, this is the p by q form. Okay, this is the p by q form. That means we have changed decimal form into rational form. That means p by q form. Okay, p by q form. And you can cut these numbers, that means you can write in the simplified manner also, that is up to you. Okay, so now I have written this decimal in the format of p by q form. That is first part. Okay, we have written decimal in the form of p by q form. Write the prime factors of q. So now this is p, this is q, right? So here q value is how much? Q value we got 1000. So they are asking us to write factors for this. What you will do? So for this 1000, in 5 table, 5 2s are 5, 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40, again 2 4s are 2, 2s are. So this q you can write as 5 cube into 2 cube, right? You can able to write in terms of 5 cube into 2 cube. This 5 and 2 are prime factors or not? Yes, these two are prime factors. Okay, so you can able to write q in terms of prime factors. So we have written, write the prime factors of q, they are asking. So for q we have written prime factors. Only 2 and 5 are the prime factors of q. Other than 2 and 5 nothing will come. Okay, so this is what you are going to write. First you have to convert, you have to write let x is equals to 43.123. Then you have to write a statement. So converting decimal format into rational form, that is p by q form, and then you have to write this step. Okay, where q is equal to 1000. So we can express q in terms of prime factors as 5 cube into 2 cube. Okay, so this is what you have to write. What do you observe means, what do you observe here? So we can only write q in terms of prime factors either 2 or 5 or both, but not any other number. Okay, this is what you have to write for the first question. Similarly, you see second question, what they are asking. Second question they given as 0.120120. Okay, this is also same thing. Let x is equal to 0.120120. How can you convert? X is equal to, you can write 120.120.1 divided by, how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, you have to write 7 zeros, and you have to do same manner. Okay, you have to follow same manner. If you just do LCM for this, you will get something like 5 power something into 2 power something. So again q is equal, here q value is this one. Again you will write 5 power something into q power something. Same this process you will do, so that you will get q value. Okay, that also you will get in terms of 5 power something into q power something. Okay, but in your textbooks they given this question answer as it is not a terminating decimal. Okay, they given this as, it cannot be written in the form of rational number. Okay, now we can write this as in rational number. Now this is a rational number or not? This is a rational number. That means we are able to express this decimal in terms of rational number. But here in answer they are given that this decimal can't be expressed in terms of rational number. Okay, but that is not correct, because if that is correct, in question they have to mention this as non-terminating decimal. That means what I am trying to say is, in question they have to give dot 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 like this. These dots have been missed in the question which they are given in the textbook. If these dots are given like this, then you can assume that it may be a non-terminating decimal, so it can't be written as a rational number. Okay, non-terminating and non-repeating decimals, that is nothing but it is an irrational number. Okay, whenever it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, then only we can consider it as an irrational number. But here you see 120 120 1 they are given. After this one we don't know, either it may get 120 or 18 something, we don't know. Okay, because he has not given bar, so that's why we don't know after this one whether again the same series will repeat or it will come some other numbers like 184 236. So that's why we will consider this one as non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So for non-terminating and non-repeating decimal means what? It is an irrational number. So irrational number, that means it cannot be expressed as rational number. So that's why they give an answer as irrational number. Okay, the answer irrational number when it is going to be correct, when if they provide dots here and at the same time if they give any other numbers apart from this, then only it is going to be irrational number. Otherwise it is not an irrational number. Okay, so now in question they not mentioned this, so that's why I will consider it as a rational number. Okay, so this is the value which we got. Clear? So now let us consider third problem. So third one you see 43.12 bar. Okay, 43.12 bar and 0.63 bar. How can you do these problems? Okay, how can you do these problems? Listen here, both problems are similar. Again we have to take, let x is equal to 43.12 bar. Okay, 12 bar means what? If you remove this bar, you can keep 1 2 1 2 1 2 and so on, right? So let it be equation 1. Okay, how many after point this bar is there on how many digits? 2 digits. If 2 digits, then you have to multiply this by 100. 100x is equal to this, also you multiply by 100. If you multiply 4.121212 and so on into 100, okay, what this equation will become? 100x is equals to 40. This if you are multiplying with 100 means 2 points it will jump, right? 13.1212 again same. This is equation 2. Okay, are you able to understand? Here periodicity is 2, so that's why after point there are bar is there on 2 decimals, so that's why you have to multiply with 100. Suppose if after point there will be 3 decimals, you have to multiply it by 1000. Suppose after point only 1 decimal, you will multiply it by 10. Got it? So now you just subtract 2 minus 1. What is 2? 2 is 100x is equal to 4312.1212 and so on. Next x is equal to 43.1212 and so on. Just subtract them. Subtract. If you subtract these two, you will get 99x is equal to this one. How much? This one will be 0. After the point everything will be 0. Now here if you borrow 1, it will be 9, it will be 10, so 6 3 4, right? So x is equal to, from here, 4369 divided by 99. Okay, 4369 divided by 99. Now this is in the form of p by q or not? Yes. So we are able to convert. This is what? This is what? Non-terminating but repeating decimal. Okay, non-terminating repeating decimal. After point it is getting repeated. So non-terminating non-terminating repeating decimal, we can convert that into p by q form. We have already converted here p by q form. That is nothing but rational form. Okay, so we got a rational number. Clear? But non-terminating, suppose this is, let us assume that this is dots and this is non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. This we cannot convert into rational number. Clear? depending upon the question. I have given clarity, right? So now here this question, it is a non-terminating repeating decimal, so that's why we can convert this particular decimal into rational number. So we have converted 4369 divided by 99 is the rational number. Clear? And now here what is the q? Q value, q here is equal to 99. So now you can do LCM. So 3 means 3 3s are again 3, 11, right? So what are the prime factors you are able to get here for q? Okay, prime factors for q are 3 into 3 into 11. That means 3 and 11 are the prime factors for q. Do you got 2 and 5? No. That means what do you observe here? Here the prime factors of q, that is 99, are 3 and 11 but not 2 and 5. Okay, this is what you have to write. Similarly you can do fourth one. Okay, fourth one you see 0.63 bar they are given. Again same thing, let x is equal to 0.636363 and it goes on. This is equation 1. Okay, after a point there is a decimal on, there is a bar on 2 digits, so you will multiply it by 100. 100x is equal to, this one will be 63.6363 and so on. Okay, now you will do 2 minus 1, that is 100x is equal to 63.6363 and so on. X is equal to 0.6363 and so on. Okay, just to do subtraction, you will get 99x here. Here how much you will get? 63, because it will be zeros. Here 63 minus 0 is 63. So 63 divided by 99. So can you cancel them? 9 7s are 63, no? So it will go in 9 table. 9 7s are 63, 9 11s. Right? So 11. What are the prime factors of 11? 11 and itself, that's it. 1 and 11 only. Okay. So now here for q value, okay, we have written this decimal format into a rational number. 7 by 11 we got rational number, and q value here is 11. Okay, what are the factors of 11? 11 and 1, that's it. Okay, which is not 2 and 5. Clear? This is how you have to write for every question. Okay, what I have told, all those things you have to write on the paper while writing exam. If you just simply write like this, they will cut marks. Okay, neatly you have to mention. Therefore given this number is what? This number is a non-terminating but repeating decimal, so we can form a rational number. Okay, you have to do this, you have to write this step, because the periodicity is 2, so that's why we are multiplying with 100. Next step, subtract 2 minus 1, so that you will get this. Therefore the decimal form of the rational form of 0.63 bar is 7 by 11, where q is equals to 11. Okay, therefore the prime factors of 11 are 11 and 1 but not 5 and 2. Okay, this is how you have to write for every question. Clear? I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please post in the comment section. Thank you.